In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files over here and either look for it in one of those apps by hitting Audio at the top or selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Then tap on your file to attach it. To add a video one, click on this icon with a camera and a photo. Tap on your video here. Or select folders, look for it here and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!